My name's Mark Roberts. The company I work for is Mansfield Brick. We're part of Mansfield Sand Company. We make bricks and blocks for the construction and flooring industry. As part of that manufacturing process, we deal a lot with silica sand, and that is a real issue in our industry, talking about occupational asthma and things like that. So one of the things we're really concerned is keeping control at levels of dust that's in various different processes that we have to undertake with our machinery. Once the piece of kit comes out to service, it's covered in concrete and dust. We need to clean it and service it. Part of the processes we use grinding disc abrasive wheels to clean some of the stuff off it. Obviously that gets airborne. One of our concerns is once it's airborne, it's in air a long time. So whilst our engineers will wear a mask while they're doing work, once they finish the work, they're not going to wear a mask for potentially 8-10 hours just in case there's some dust in there. So what we need to do is get rid of dust at source. Basically, we looked on the internet. We've been researching for a suitable piece of equipment to do the job that we needed to do. We've talked about it in health and safety meetings, and when we came across this piece of equipment, it sort of ticked all the boxes. So we ended up buying the weld fume extractor. It got flexibility, it got good reach, it's portable, it's relatively quiet, and it's very effective. As I say, out of all the different equipment we'd looked at, this was the one that really ticked all the boxes and gives the flexibility we wanted for processes we need to do. Certainly in terms of cleaning moulds down, and we also use it for welding, it's been brilliant for welding fumes and dust. In terms of when we used to clean moulds down, our engineers used to have masks on, but again, there were visible airborne dust. Now we've got this in place, we don't get any of that. So again, once the job's done, it minimises cleaning, it obviously protects our operators and engineers, and it just is a real benefit. I would certainly say for applications similar to what we're using, it would be perfect for anybody. To dust extraction, weld fume extraction, it's a very good piece of kit. I would definitely recommend it.